Hey SNHU Math 223 students. Are you navigating the world of applications of calculus? This course is about more than just numbers, it's about using calculus to solve real-world problems. Are you grappling with finding the optimal solution for a business problem, calculating the rate of change in a scientific scenario, or trying to make sense of those tricky word problems? Connecting the theoretical concepts to these practical applications can feel like a major challenge. Don't let the real-world applications of calculus get the best of you. At getbrainful.com, we specialize in helping SNHU students conquer Math 223. We provide expert guidance and step-by-step explanations that make complex problems easy to understand. We'll help you see the logic behind the math so you can confidently tackle your assignments, projects, and exams. Ready to master the applications of calculus? Visit getbrainful.com today. That's getbrainful.com, your essential resource for Math 223 excellence.